Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a product photo on CapCut. So as you can see, there's an expand button here, and you're just going to press it and you're going to select AI background and you're going to select your product photo. So I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm going to select the edit button here. And now it's just going to remove the background for you, as you can see, and then you're just going to choose from these backgrounds the one that you want. I'm just going to choose this golden light one. It does take quite some time to load because it does match with it's going to try to match with the background. As you can see, there's even reflections of the bottle, which I think is really good. Press the checkmark button, and I'm just going to size it to an Instagram post, and then here you can just resize it to fit the whole thing, like so. There you go. Then you're just going to select export and you're going to just press done. It's going to be saved to your device as an image. That's it. It looks so good. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!